the CBI has filed a charge sheet in the death of the 19-year-old woman in Hathras in Uttar Pradesh in September. The lawyer for the accused has told NDTV that all four accused have been charged with rape and murder. My colleague Arvind spoke with the lawyer of the accused. Let's first listen in to what he said.
Has CBI filed a charge sheet in the Hathras case?
Yes, court. The CBI has filed a charge sheet in the other in SSC court, special court, and Conius has been taken by the court.
And who all have been made as an accused in this case?
4 persons have been made as accused in this court. First, the Sandeep, Ramu, Ravi, and Lavkus.
Okay, and what all the sections that the CBI has invoked in the charge sheet?
354, 376A, 376D, 302, and 325 SCSC.
So, attempt to murder, and also gang rape, and also prevention of corruption. It's Section 3 of Prevention of Corruption, Prevention of SCST Act has been.
SCSC.
So, all these 4 sections have been invoked against all the 4 accused.
Yes, sir. Yes.
And your name and who are you representing in this case?
I am representing all the 4 accused persons in this case. I am representing all the 4 accused persons in this case.
Okay. Your name, sir?
My name is MS Pandit.
Okay. Thank you.
Arvind Gunasekar joins us live. Arvind, break it down for us. Both gang rape and murder charges have been filed against the 4 accused.
Yeah, Rishika, in fact, we are standing right outside the Hathras court where the proceedings are still underway. In fact, the CBI team is still inside the court premises. The court proceedings are still underway. Right after CBI team, led by the investigating officer, when she entered with the case files, when they submitted the charge sheet with the Hathras court with the judge, the lawyer of the accused, the lawyer who is representing all the 4 accused, he came out and then he addressed the media here where he said that the Central Bureau of Investigation has charged all the 4 accused with gang rape and also murder of the Hathras victim. And what he also said is that the CBI has also invoked the Prevention of SC/ST Atrocities Act. So all these 3 are very important sections, that is gang rape and also murder and also prevention of atrocities of SC/ST Act. So all these 3 very important sections have been invoked against all the 4 accused. That's what the advocate of the accused, the advocate who is representing the accused, has just told media. In fact, he also said the same thing to us also. We are still waiting for the CBI team to come out because CBI officials are very much inside the court premises. The moment they come out, we will be getting to know exact details of the charge sheet. But at this moment, the advocate who represents all the 4 accused here, he has made it clear that the Central Bureau of Investigation has charged all the 4 accused with gang rape and also murder of the Hathras victim. So it's very, very important. The Central Bureau of Investigation has taken over this investigation from the UP police, and after a detailed comprehensive investigation, the Central Bureau of Investigation has today filed a charge sheet. In fact, earlier what we also saw was that the Central Bureau of Investigation took all the 4 accused to the forensic science laboratory for forensic examination also. So based on the scientific examination, based on the evidences they have collected, CBI has concluded the investigation and then they have filed this charge sheet.